Hey everybody, Microsoft Excel. So what we've got going on in the discussion board this week is a discussion of Microsoft Excel. Well, how do we talk about spreadsheets? That seems kind of boring and dry, right? It is, unless you put it in some sort of interesting hypothetical scenario, which is what we're doing here. So the goal here is for you to kind of convey to us how you would go about setting up some sort of rudimentary spreadsheet to help organize things at home. So the scenario is you have kids and they have different things that they're doing, sports and other kinds of activities, and you have to put them all together in a spreadsheet. How would you organize it? Now, it doesn't have to be that specifically. It can be also something else. It could say, how are you going to put together a chore chart? How are you going to set up your personal budget or something like that, or your mortgage payments in a spreadsheet? I don't really care what it is. But I want you to give an example of how specifically you would use Microsoft Excel at home to organize things. Now, you can earn some extra credit. How do you do that? Well, show us. Actually put together an Excel spreadsheet. It doesn't matter what it looks like. You can use one of the templates that's already in Excel, or you can create something from scratch, but then attach a copy of that to your discussion post, your initial post, and show us kind of what you were able to come up with. You do that, you will earn extra credit. So remember, folks, this week, what do you need to do? Try to get your initial post up by Wednesday at the latest, okay? And don't leave it to Friday or Saturday. Just don't. I know it's a challenge to kind of get in earlier, but you want to make sure you're getting in earlier. Make sure you have an initial post and at least 3 replies to 3 different people. I know a lot of you are 2 or 1. That I have to grade by the rubric standards. I have to, like it or not. And so my hands are tied there. So make sure that you are posting at least 3 replies as well in order to fully, qualify for all the extra credit. Now, I've been running these different additional threads, and this week is no different. We're going to have another additional thread. Hopefully it's an interesting one. There will be another kind of opportunity for extra credit there. There will be instructions, but if you want to join that extra credit thread, any of your posts there will count toward your reply total for the week, and you can earn some extra credit if you follow my instructions. So if you have any questions, anything comes up, folks, let me know. Thanks.